Welcome to Whiteboard Programming, where we simplify programming with easy to understand whiteboard videos. And today let's talk about GitHub Repos. We all know that they are crucial. So I'll be sharing with you 10 essential GitHub repos to add to your developer toolkit. Number 1. Build your own X. This fantastic repository basically is a collection of tutorials on how to build your own technology. There are examples from how to build command line tool, an operating system, a search engine, a 3D renderer, and much more. Have you ever wanted to create your own programming language? Your very own Docker or Git? Then this is the right repository for you. Number 2. Free programming books. Even though the name of this repository is Free Programming Books, it offers much more than that. It is available in many different languages and contains section for free online courses, interactive programming resources, problem sets, and competitive programming and podcast and programming playgrounds. But the majority deals with programming books, and that is really an awesome collection that you can put in your developer toolkit in case you need any revision or you want to ponder over into something new. Number 3. My ZShell. My ZShell is a community-driven and open-source framework for managing ZShell configurations. ZShell is both interactive shell and a powerful scripting language that many developers use. My ZShell comes with a powerful plugins and beautiful themes to customize your ZShell setup. It is a bit of work to get it up and running, but there are great tutorials on the web and examples of other developers that will help you find the right settings for you. Number 4. Coding Interview University. This repository is a multi-month study plan to become a software developer for a large company like Amazon, Google, or Facebook. It is meant for people who are new to software engineering where CS knowledge is needed. Number 5. Gitignore. This repository is exactly what the name suggests, a collection of useful .gitignore templates for every new project you set up on GitHub repository. It becomes mandatory to have Gitignore files to filter what gets uploaded. The content of this file varies from project to project and language to language. The repo contains templates for almost any language or framework such as Rails, Python, Perl, Laravel, Java, and many more. Number 6. System Design Primer. This is a great repository for software engineers that will help you learn how to design large-scale systems. The repo provides an organized collection of resources for this broad topic. Because system design often is a required component of the technical interview process at many companies, this repository can also help you to prepare for those interviews with a study guide. Number 7. Public APIs is a great list of free APIs that you can use for your project and applications. It covers various topics such as business, animals, news, finance, games, and more. There are APIs like cats or dogs APIs that will give you pictures of cats or dogs in case needed. But there are also more useful ones like Gmail API or Google Analytics API. This is really an extensive collection, so go check it out for yourself. Number 8. The art of command line. Knowing how to work with command line is often neglected by developers, yet it helps you improve your productivity and flexibility as an engineer. This repository contains useful notes and tips on using command line when you're working on Linux. There are sections specifically designed for Windows and Mac OS, and in general tips are applicable to other Unix-based operating systems. It is both for beginners and more experienced developers out there. Number 9. JavaScript algorithms and data structures. This repository contains examples of many popular algorithms and data structures for JavaScript. Each example is either marked as beginner or advanced to indicate the difficulty. There are more examples of hash table, heap, queue, stacks, math, string, sets, and many more. Number 10. Developer Roadmap. This last repository contains a set of charts demonstrating different paths to take and technologies to adopt in order to become a front-end, back-end, or DevOps engineer in 2020. While it seems a bit more overwhelming in the beginning, it is a useful guide for what's possible and needed in the fast-changing industry. I hope you find these repositories as useful as I do and can use them to become a better software engineer. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for future updates.